When you practice, when you talk someone, usually you comes under the tree. After that, you practice, isn't it?
Yes, yes, because I have because in my area there is a network issue, so that's
Okay.
why I
Mhm.
have to come here for getting proper network area.
Yeah. So what is the tree name, sir? People?
No, no, no. It
Blackberry.
is what is called in English language. I don't know, but it is called in Hindi mahua.
Okay, Mahua. Okay. I know.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. When I was kid, I used to go, park. Okay.
Okay.
Then I used to get Mahua, little, little. Then I used to eat. I used to
Yes.
grudge goat and sheep. Okay. Then I used to enjoy with my friend.
Yes.
Do you also eat Mahua or not?
Yeah. We eat sometime, but not usually.
Mhm.
Sometimes we eat,
Okay. Okay.
and
So
some people they fry little bit, and after that they eat like kismis.
yeah, yeah, and it is made. You can say wine by the Mahua. Do you know?
Yes. Yes. Yeah.
And it is very
Yeah.
dangerous.
Yes.
Mhm. When I was kid, I used to collected Mahua. After that, I used to go to the market. Then I used to give, other person Mahua. Then he used to give me, salt.
Salt.
Okay.
Okay.
hmm I
You
remember
know,
still. I did not forget.
it is used in many. It is used in. Uh, how can I express? It is used by
Everywhere.
people.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes people can eat this, and it is material of to feeding cattle also.
Yeah, 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 really.
People used to feed their cattle,
And earlier
and
you can see Mahua,
yeah, and
Mahua,
by the mahua people
you
make
know.
wine also. So I can say it is a multi usage material.
Mm, yes, yes, yes. And earlier you can see Mahua tree, in village, used to be, everywhere. Okay,
Yes.
Mahua tree used to be everywhere. But nowadays, you know, I don't know the pair in the tree that the trees are cut by the people, right? That's why we are not getting, fresh air, isn't it? We are
Yes. Yes.
facing some problem.
Mhm. Yeah, but in my side there are so many trees. More than 100 trees are there in my side. And in the
Okay.
season of mahua dropping season, we have to collect that. And after
Yeah, this
that,
is season, mango
we dry
season,
them.
blackberry season, mawa season, So this
Mhm.
season, this kind of season going on nowadays.
Yes.
Mm.
No, no, it already draw already fallen
Mm-hmm.
mahua flower.
Mm-hmm. So, sir, tell me one thing that you are living in village. So, mangoes are being sold nowadays or not in the market?
Yeah, in market there is sold every time.
Okay, mangoes are sold in the market nowadays.
Yes, yes. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Okay. And what about blackberry?
Blackberry. Blackberry is comes
Also,
in nowadays not. It will come in starting of rainy season, I think.
okay, okay. I think it comes, blackberry comes, in June, July, I think.
Yes, yes. Yeah, June, July.
Hmm. I know. I know. Okay. I used to climb up the tree. Then I used to pluck blackberry. I used to eat when I used to graze the goats. Okay. Mm.
Yes, yes. Yeah, every person like to eat in the season of blackberry, and
Mm.
it is good for health also because seasonally fruit. How can I say? Seasonally fruit to eating seasonally fruit is good for
Mm.
health.
For health. For health. Yeah, yeah. But nowadays we can see the mango. Uh, are being wrapped. By the chemical. Okay.
Yes,
So nowadays people are eating. That kind of fruits. Okay. So we are not
yes,
we are not getting benefit, and it is very harmful for our health.
yes, yes. In the market, there are sold many kinds of fruits like mangoes, bananas, and
Mm.
everything. So
Right.
all that fruit are wrapped by chemical using chemical. So eating that
Mm-hmm.
kinds of fruit is not good for health.
Mm-hmm. Right, right. Earlier, I used to when I was in village, so I used to sell fruits, also
Mm.
bananas. So I used to wrap the banana. After that, I used to sell.
Okay. So what
Mm.
kinds of chemical is used for
But
getting wrap right?
chemicals, chemicals, it is very expensive. Okay,
Okay.
little bottle if you want to purchase, only you can say 100 gram. You have to pay 200 rupees. Okay,
Okay.
and the 20 liter water you have to put, one cover ढक्कन जो बोलते हैं ढक्कन, one cover you have to put. After that you took banana, you should take banana. Okay, then you should pour, you should pour banana into the water. After that you put inside. After that you have to cover, you have to cover by the blanket.
Okay.
Okay, in a night. Okay, now you
Okay.
can say banana is green. Okay, and if you see tomorrow in the morning time, okay,
Mm.
you will find that all banana has been ripe.
Okay.
All banana has wrapped. All banana have ripe. Okay, know. So it is
Yes.
very dangerous.
Yes, yes. But people always eat. Even they know that it is harmful for health, but people purchase and they eat.
Hmm. But what people they do, just because of population, we are not getting season fruits. Uh,
Hmm.
Earlier, you can say, uh, people used to have banana trees, mango trees, blackberry trees. But nowadays, people don't have banana trees, lots of trees. Okay, and
Hmm.
all people need, okay, blackberry and fruits. Okay, so how can they take? How can they take? They have to purchase. Is that
Yes, yes.
it's compulsion to purchase anything,
Hmm.
fruits and bananas, anything we have to purchase.
Yes, yes.
And if you wait, that your mango is wrapped on the tree. After that, I will eat. Okay, so it takes time, but we have to keep patient. Okay,
But
that's why, that's why
but
you can see that lots of people, are facing some, disease. Okay, a lot of
hmm,
many people they are in the hospital. Okay,
yes,
they are unwell. They are not well. They are unwell. Just because,
yes,
people are having unnecessary fruits and food. That's why. They don't
yes,
think their future, their health. Just they eat, 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 eat.
yes, yes. And I think that everything is whatever available in the market. So nowadays we cannot find pure thing
Yeah,
because
right. Also vegetable.
on
Also
everything
vegetable. Mhm.
it is being used by farmer. Even it is vegetable, and it is any fruits, and
Mm,
any kind of eating material.
mm. Yeah. Also, rice, we can say per day and
Yeah,
wheat. So
everything.
chemical is used by the farmer.
Mhm.
And if you don't use, then you can't get. It is also
Yeah,
true. Okay.
yeah, yeah. Compulsion is that,
Hmm.
nowadays seeds are available, that kind of seeds, without using that kinds of fertilizer and pesticide. Farmer cannot get more grow in his crop. So that's why it is
Hmm.
compulsion to use it.
Right, right. But earlier there was not too much seeds, right? But nowadays you can see there are lots of seeds. They spoil the crop, they spoil the fruit, they spoil the green vegetables, right?
Mhm.
That's
Yes,
why
yes.
we are not getting on the time. And we have to, the people, the farmer, they have to use chemical.
Yes,
After
yes.
that, we are getting.
Mhm.
If they don't use, definitely you will not get.
Yeah, it is different kinds of seeds. No, they made different kinds of seed. It is required to use on it these kinds of pesticide and fertilizer time to time. If farmer will not use that thing, then they will not get proper growth in their agriculture.
Yeah, right. I know very well. And nowadays, suppose you are a farmer and you must know that suppose you have 1 acre, 1 bigha. Do you know bigha? 1 bigha can the field. And if you wanna grow, if you wanna grow wheat and paddy, anything, then you have to spend more money,
Yeah,
right?
really.
You have to hire the labor. We have to hire the tractor for polo. Okay, we have to pay the seeds. Anything you have to purchase, right?
Hmm. Yes, yes.
And after that, you have to spend more money. Then you will get. Then we have to spend more money. So farmer are not getting benefit nowadays.
Yeah, they have to face sometime a big loss. They
Hmm.
in by the natural disaster. Sometimes they face drought. Sometimes when the heavy rain, so they get loss, big loss.
Hmm. And it happens. Usually it happens when comes a harvesting time. Okay, it rains at that time,
Yeah, yes, yes,
right?
you are right.
The farmer are not able to uh, cut the crops just because
Yeah,
of
really.
rain.
Yes, yes.
Suppose now you are growing, you can say paddy, okay,
Mm.
and you need water,
Yeah.
okay. At that time it not rains, but when you
Yes.
grow, when you grow the paddy, after the when they the paddy grown a little bit, after that it rains too much, and after that all paddy spoiled just because of rain.
Yes,
So
yes.
farmer
And
are
nowadays,
facing lots of problem.
yeah, and seeds is nowadays made, that kind of seeds. The farmer have to farmer have to replant in time, in fixed time. Otherwise, it will
Hmm.
not grow properly.
Yes, yes, I know. Hmm. So nowadays, what season is going on? You can say moong and masoor. Do you know? Dal, pulses.
Yeah, nowadays it's going on summer season. So nowadays we do not cultivate anything because we depend only rainwater. So nowadays we do not cultivate anything.
Okay, okay. If you cultivate anything, then you will get nothing.
Yeah, because we have no irrigation system,
You have
watering
to spend
system.
more and more money, right?
Yeah.
Right, right. Actually, we have to spend more money, and just because of rain, just because of when comes summer season, and just because of summer season, we don't get proper benefit from the land.
Yes, yes. And we
We
have
spend
no
time every
system
day.
of irrigation, so that's why we our entire agriculture work is depend only on rainwater. So that's
Hmm.
why we cultivate everything. Whatever we cultivate, only we cultivate on the season of monsoon.
Right, right, right. And after, I think after May, when comes June, after coming June, I think we the people will have a start planting seeds of the paddy,
Yes, yes.
right?
Yeah, yeah.
Hmm. I know. Okay. So in the village area, you are living in village area. So is there any day? Is there any pond? Do you catch fish or not?
No, in my side there is no. There is I have no any pond or any water. What would I say? Any pond? I have
Okay.
no any pond.
Okay. Okay. You don't have, but other people have or not?
Yeah, some other village is available, some pond,
Hmm.
but
Hmm.
in
But you
my
can't.
village,
But you can't catch fish from that pond.
no, no, I cannot because
Hmm. But
they.
because it is not allowed. It is not allowed, right?
Yes, yes, yeah, that
Hmm.
is other pond. No, so that's why we cannot catch fish on their pond.
Hmm. Right. Right. Earlier, you can say uh, lots of people used to catch fish in the pond, into the pond.
Yes,
Okay.
yes,
But nowadays, suppose you don't have pond, and other people have pond, so you can't fish. You can't catch the fish. You can't go.
yeah,
Hmm.
because they keeps fish in their pond.
Yes. Yes. Mhm. Yes. Yes. I know. That's
And
why
who
they are
reside.
fear that they are fear there. If you go, you might catch the fish. That's why the people are denied by the owner, pond owner.
Yes, yes, you are right.
Hmm. Okay. 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 So I have one topic if you want to discuss.
Yeah, yeah, I
Mm.
want to discuss on.
Because we are here to practice something, we have to speak that we can get fluency, we can learn something. Okay. Money versus time. What do you want to say? Money versus time.
Fix first. My mobile is starting to hang. Okay, let me fix first.
Mhm. Okay, then no problem. You will, we will meet again.
Fixing.
Your voice is
No, no,
not
no.
coming. Your voice is not coming.